In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off read receipts so no one knows you read their messages. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up settings. Then scroll down until you find messages, and then scroll down again, and that's where you can easily find option which is called send read receipts. When this is on, people are notified when you have read their messages. This enables read receipts for all conversations. In order to turn off read receipts on your iPhone, just turn off that switcher. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.